Hello, it's Susan here from Boku No Hero Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the skirt portion of the Boku No Hero Academia cheer uniform. To make the cheer skirt, I'm using Simplicity 3689, and you could use it for both the skirt and the waistband. I'm using just the waistband pieces in this particular tutorial. And we're going to cut 4 of the back waistband pieces out of some of the orange cotton, and 2 of the front pieces on the fold. Now the Boku No Hero uniforms have a point in the front, so I added the point when I was cutting out the pattern instead of having it go straight across. Then sew the waistband back pieces to the waistband front piece along the side seams. Putting right sides together, sew the 2 waistband pieces together along the top and along the bottom, leaving the ends open so that you create a tube. Turn the waistband right side out and press it flat. Then we're going to top stitch all along the edges. To make the base part of the skirt, we're going to cut a long rectangle out of the orange fabric and box pleat it. Now we're going to press the pleats in place, sew them together along the top, and also add a bit of zigzagging to keep the edge from fraying. Next, we're going to take the waistband and position it on top of the pleated skirt. And now we're going to sew through all of the top stitching from earlier, down around the bottom of the point and back up to the other end. Once the skirt has been attached, we're going to hem along the bottom and then sew on some of the green bias tape to create a stripe. Sew the skirt together along the center back seam and insert a zipper. I also added a hook and eye on the top just to make sure to keep it closed. And with that, the cheer skirt is done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.